All right, I'm a sucker for Asian, you guys, and you're about to learn killer sauce from this dude. So come right back for my Hoisin, which is Chinese for seafood. Woo! Keep it paleo. All right, so we were having a little conversation about what is Hoisin sauce. How would you describe it? We had a couple different things going on, but then we read in here what it's all about. And in the end, it says the word Hoisin is Chinese for seafood, but the sauce does not contain any seafood ingredients. Kind of crazy, huh? So anyways, we're gonna throw this together quick, and then you're gonna see some subsequent recipes that include Hoisin. I've always wanted to use it, but when you look at the ingredient list and the store-bought version, it's just loaded with sugar, corn syrup, caramel color, all kinds of nasty stuff. So check this out. We got our blender here. We're going with pineapple, raisins, boom, some vinegar, salt, sambal, and then ginger and garlic, minced up ginger and garlic, fresh on both of those guys. All right, here we are. There you go. So the color is not as deep and dark as what you'd find in the store, but the flavor is awesome. So let's transfer this to a little cup here so you guys can see this velvety. Oh, love, look at that. Let's see. It's like Chinese for seafood. Right there. So super simple recipe, really quick, but it's setting the foundation for what's up next. We're going with the shrimp stir fry with Hoisin, and then we're gonna do these killer slow cooker banh mi tacos with Hoisin and like pickled veggies and stuff. So stick around and I'll teach you everything I know. My name is Nick and I'm here to help you keep it paleo.